Jaztime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at Jaztime.com once in a while. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Yacht-Master 40 Platinum and Steel, reference 126622. I'm going to talk to you about the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, the movement, and then give you my thoughts on it. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the dial. The dial uses a rhodium dial, and it has these luminescent hour markers, and they're what's called maxi hour markers with a high legible chromolite display and a long-lasting blue luminescence. And here's what it looks like at nighttime if you have it lit up, or if you have it charged and then you go into the dark. This is what it would look like. Okay, now they make this as of 2020 in both a rhodium and a blue finish. They used to also make it in a silver, but they discontinued that. So you have rhodium, which is kind of like gray or blue. Now I'm going to talk to you about the bezel. Now the bezel is a bidirectional bezel, and it's actually made of platinum. In fact, Rolex calls it their combination of oyster steel and platinum, and they call it Rolecium. It's a really strange name. Anyways, all it means is that it's made of platinum and steel. Now the steel part is this outer part, the part that in case of the bezel, which my pinky is rubbing against, is kind of like this rigid edge right here. And the platinum is this part right here that you see the markers, the 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and so on. So that part's actually made of platinum, which is what makes this watch so expensive. Or partly what makes it so expensive is that it has this platinum dial. There's very few watches that combine both platinum and steel, and this is one of them. So if you like that look and you like having platinum in your watch, this would probably be the one. It's actually the only sports watch that does that. Now let's move on to the movement. The movement is cased inside this monoblock middle case with a screw down case back and winding crown, and it's 40 millimeters. That means from my thumb to my index finger inside this case. There's nothing written on the back, but the case, the movement itself is going to be a 3235 caliber movement. That it used to be a 3135, and it's since been replaced by the 3235, which has a precision of plus minus 2 seconds a day after casing, and it also has a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring high performance Paraflex shock absorber, which also has a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Now the old 3135 had a power reserve of 48 hours. So the main difference between this movement, the 3235 and the 3135, is that it has a big longer power reserve, 70 hours versus 48 hours, and it's more precise, plus minus 2 versus plus minus 7. Okay? Now let's move on to the bracelet. The bracelet's still going to use an oyster clasp. Now the clasp itself, as you see it here, is a folding oyster lock safety clasp. What does that mean? You close the top and you have a second clasp that covers over the top to prevent it from coming out when you're doing sports. It also has an easy link 5mm comfort extension link, and that is right here. That's extended now 5 extra millimeters. Okay, so let's move on. I've talked to you about almost everything except what I think about it. So this watch replaces the old reference 116622, and it's now a 126622. Somebody told me that the lugs were different. I'm not sure I see that. The lugs actually look exactly the same to me. The only thing that I see different is the movement. Instead of having a 3135, it has a 3235 movement. All else is the same. The bracelet's the same. It's still 40 millimeters. They still make it in rhodium, and that's it. So I'm going to try this on for you. If you guys like this video and you want to buy this watch, go to Jaztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jaztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jaztime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.